Morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what we do today. This market is a little bit sketchy today. Basically, chopping around, and it has been like that since yesterday. Well, maybe more, a couple more days, like maybe 3 days. So, but yeah, everything going good here. How are you doing, Marie? How is your morning going so far?
I'm doing well. It's great. I don't remember my sleep last night, so you can't get better than that.
Perfect. That's fantastic. So So we have.
I knew there's something that we're missing. It was the volume bars.
All right. In which one did we miss it?
We had them, but I can't. So continue with your news. But
Yeah, just go to the chart you want to add it, whatever chart you want, and add volume profile. No there.
No, I just wanted to see another one.
Okay.
No. Okay.
Maybe you want to erase everything that you don't need, because all those profiles, why would you have them if you don't need them? It's gonna create that confusion.
Okay. So what were you doing? What were you saying?
So you go that chart. You say you want a single, right?
Yeah, I want to get this off, but.
Okay, I'll be back. Just give me a minute. So can I have it? So here we go this way, and we say just one, and we add this is the one where you want to have the volume profile, or which one? So then we go back to here, and we say
Formula? No?
yeah, and then you choose volume profile, visible range, and now we're just gonna save the layout. That's what we didn't do yesterday. Save it. Now we save it.
Okay.
So what time frame did you say you want those bad boys?
I will.
Okay.
But I'm-
Remember to save the layout. All right, so yeah, sorry about that, but yeah, basically we had PPI coming out today, current accounts, retail sales control group month to month, and core PPI year to year. All that number came at 8:30. I don't see the market reacting a lot on that. Basically, you see at 8:30 here, but if anything, it just went down a bit. So, but I would assume, or I would understand that was just kind of a muted number or whatever it is. So, yeah. But yeah, more than that, I won't be asking you, Marie, anymore. What stocks are you looking at? Because I know you're gonna be focusing a little bit more into the futures as you are trying to figure out how you wanna trade those things. So, but yeah. So I'm gonna be looking at Nvidia, INTC. Yesterday I held a trade on INTC until the end of the day, and that was just a flat trade. So yeah, I decided to not take partials and not take profits, and I paid the price for that. So let's see how we do today. Ideally, I do different on that one. So I'm gonna try to erase all my lines, just to try to start fresh with those levels, because Nvidia for sure, 185, 186, either of those two, in my opinion, the worst a short. But let's see if the market wants to do something different today. So, Marie, as a SPY or future wise, whenever I'm gonna ask you SPY, is the futures basically because
Well, I want to.
I know I look at the ETF, but as you're gonna be, yeah, that was the one that we were looking for. You can just close it. Yeah, you want to look for, you say?
Okay. I wanted to look at SPY to see how things are going, and just to look at the ones as well that had very high. So remember QULR?
QULR.
Okay, number 1 RVOL, and
Yeah.
number 3 volume.
Yeah, I don't trade that thing. So, you want to talk about it for a specific reason, or what?
No, I just wanted to
Because
highlight
we,
it.
we just say to not talk about stocks with you because you're gonna be trading all the things.
Yes, but if I'm looking at stock as well, because they are part of,
Okay.
right? So it gives me a little bit of an idea. So we've got INTC as well. Remember yesterday, that went very, very well. for INTC. Wow, it's still very high.
Yeah, it just keep going higher and higher. So which is interesting, but hey, let's see what we do.
48.74 today could be, and we've got a large position at 50. So that could be interesting as well. And when we're looking at, and I believe it's number one volume, yes it is. Wow. So NVIDIA and SPY, let's go see SPY. Holy cannoli, eh? So SPY did a higher high yesterday.
It went above all-time high yesterday?
Wasn't it yesterday or the day before? Oh no, the day before, sorry.
No, I think you were right. Yeah, just yesterday. What?
Are we sure about that?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Oh,
yesterday
yeah.
went to was 697. Like what? I didn't see that. Hey, what's up, Nico? What are you trading today? So, yeah. So I don't know. What are you looking at, SPY? Like long, short? What is your idea in there?
Okay, so 692.40,
Mm-hmm.
good level there. At
Hello.
692.40.
We hello.
Bonjour, Zach.
Hello, hello.
How are you doing, my guy? 692.05.
692.40 for me.
Okay.
That's been there forever, and there's a position there at 692.40. So that was a level yesterday as well.
Don't hear you, Dave. I think.
You don't hear me? Oh, I didn't say anything, buddy. I'm sorry.
Can you hear him now?
Can you hear me now?
Nope.
No? Okay, just give me a minute. Hello, Nico. Good morning. So, Zach, just give me a minute. I don't know what I did here. Let's see.
Hello?
Yeah, do you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you good. Nice.
Nice.
Do you hear me? Good?
Yes, I hear you perfectly. Yeah. Do you have two
I
mics?
went on. Do I have two mics?
No, you. Do you have two mics?
I switched to my AirPods, so you hear me in double?
No, it's just because many days we have to readjust each other.
Yeah, that's my AirPods. So that's
Okay.
maybe louder.
Oh, good. So, sorry, Maria, I interrupt you. What are you saying?
No good.
So I unfortunately I'm still looking short for Nvidia, but a SPY is looking short as well. Probably I'm gonna wait for a SPY, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for a SPY to do a higher high.
Yeah, it should pull back. Then I see it so rangy today.
A SPY or the overall market.
SPY.
I mean, sorry, or the equities. Man, INTC very close to $49. Actually,
Big position
right
at
there.
50.
49. It just went through. Yeah, Nvidia swung, I say that, as sick without me again. So
Okay, so 696. Yeah, 680. So is it going to pull back there? I'll have to check the levels. 688.80. And that's a big support level. Was a resistance level prior, but has been support now for close to a week for 688.80.
So I'm gonna try Nvidia long at 183.69, 183.70 actually. So let's see how those manifest. 183.70. I have an order right here. I put the order already on. But if you go back to the VWAP or to the moving average, I will be short because I think it wants to break down.
So
So
688.80.
688.80 SPY. There we go.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. To 692.40.
So you are looking downside because that's very low.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah. I probably will try the same thing, you know, like I think it's a short, but I wouldn't be surprised if at the open we have a big bounce before we actually go down. So I'm trying to look at the tape and see where I would like to go short on Nvidia, and I have no clear place where to go short on Nvidia. I have clear place where to go long right now, but like let's see. We're gonna try little by little toward the short. Yeah, there we go. I'm trying one long around there, but let's see. Right there. My entry, my order is right there at the red line. There we go. We got it. Printing by the penny. By the penny. So if it doesn't hold, it's not gonna be looking good. So probably we can add a little bit. So, but we're gonna partial faster, as I say. I'm gonna start doing those things more and more. So I'm trying to add more to NVDA. I have another order at the same price. This time I will use a tighter stop loss. Once I get the fill, go. Okay, if it doesn't hold, I'm gonna be out very soon. There we go, we are out. So, small trade. I just didn't expect that to hold too good. So, you are short. Nice.
Order filled.
How was the future trading
Oops,
yesterday,
sorry.
Mary?
Wow, that was a big bang.
I think Zach asked you something, bro.
Yesterday I got my maximum loss, and I got locked out.
So I took another little trade on Nvidia there. Let's see if it wanted to work.
But today's doing well. I'm just needing. I'm gonna. Okay, so now it seems like we've got.
Oof. Going down.
And this is the Nvidia shouldn't be going so much, but it's funny the day it is doing what it's supposed to be doing, like you're going the opposite direction. I just blanked that thing there, so just give me a minute.
I'm going north. Let's see. Ah, yeah. Falcon.
Order filled.
Yep.
So I went long there.
Falcon there.
Okay, so
Right,
we are
sorry about that.
looking
I
at.
just messed it up. All right, so I'm glad I took the loan. As I say, we're gonna start partialing right away. I just need to change something about my style on it. That's part of it.
Okay.
So talk to me, Marie. What did you say?
Okay, so I was able to do a 5 hours on the short,
Mm-hmm.
and now I am doing the long. So I flipped right at the volume
Nice.
profile where it was popping. So I'm being chicken right now, and I want to get out, but it definitely is not at the point where I should be. So
Yeah, like I caught myself entering 2 times the open, and like I was like, why do I not wait? Like why I don't wait? You know? So,
So it seems like people are looking at Nvidia short.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So what is happening here?
the VIX since yesterday is way higher than before,
Skyrocket, yeah.
last week. That maybe explain why volatility goes like it's choppy. I mean,
Mm-hmm. How are you doing?
Good.
Nice. You're looking long now, you say?
I was long, yes. I took a partial on the long.
And now you're looking short.
No. Right now I'm learning, I'm looking at the volume profile. So it doesn't seem to be able to push through. So we've got some consolidation here. Oh my goodness. So what are you guys seeing?
Yeah, big flush.
mostly long for a bit.
Yeah, I stay out. I came out of Nvidia before. This thing is gonna break. Like I just don't want to go against my own idea.
What did you see, Zach, to go long?
Like it was holding one of my levels, but yeah, no, it's not. So still kind of holding it though, but
Yeah, like I went long again on Nvidia, but with a tighter stop loss, way tighter. If it's going to hold, it's going to hold. If not, get me out. Make a lower low, I'm out. Let's trade like if we are fighting, you know? What's
looks
up,
like
Lolo?
it's holding, but it's also holding on the top. So I should break the top pretty good. Like it's in between two of my levels,
Correct. Me too.
but it broke the level higher better when it opened. So I'm gonna take partial really quick if it pops. Yeah, took one partial there
Nice.
on the pop.
Here comes the money.
Order
Ooh la 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 la.
Look at that swank.
What was that? Okay.
What is copy day?
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
What is copy day?
Mm. That's a 1 hour. Let's put it in.
Chop.
Do you have any levels, Zach?
One sec. I'm just going to.
Right there seems to be one for me. What What about you, Davey?
Yeah, I would take it right now. So a SPY.
There's a small level, but not monthly, so it's not that good.
Yeah, to me, SPY.
I have a level at 89.30. I'm gonna go long, try to catch the.
I have one at 88.30. Yeah, I have the 89.30 as well. So 89.30 will be one shot, and if that doesn't
Yeah,
hold,
I'm
it
gonna-
will be 88.30.
Yeah, for me it's gonna be one long. Oof, the reaction is coming there. I don't know. I got the long. If it breaks down, I'm out. I'm not trading anymore.
Okay.
I'm quitting trading for the day.
Look at that candle. It's huge toward the downside.
Wow, going through that.
That was the exact trade I took like 4 days ago or something like that. Same price.
Order filled.
Let's go spy, you can do it.
Hmm?
You can do it.
Okay, I missed my spy.
You miss your SPY? Yeah. Yeah, from here I cannot see if you are long or short. I think you are
Long.
long. Okay.
Long on spy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too.
Like here was just telling me the volume profile. Nice.
Yes. I got the almost the best price, like 89.28.
Okay.
So some of the candle. But it was the exact same trade as which day? One second. The Friday, last Friday. And with that trade, like the exact same peak,
Okay.
made like a 5 hour with that trade, so even more.
Nice.
Let's see if it's gonna play out again. There was a lot of absorption on top of the candle, so it was
Mm-hmm.
a bit of a bearish sign. But let's see if it's gonna test it back. Absorption, and it's probably gonna break it. Nice.
Nice.
Order filled.
Okay, that's my other level. big reaction.
Yeah. I miss my SPY. So the 688, remember at the beginning I said 688.80?
Mm-hmm.
That's still there. It's going to interact with it very shortly.
I never use the volume profile that you are using right now, but I see it does work. You know why?
Mhm.
Like, look how that's a big chart actually. But you see the top, how it, like where the volume get to be more clear. I think that's because of the open. But you see how there is a big step from,
Wow.
yeah.
That's where I went short.
So
I went short there. Where did I go? Yeah, I went short.
mm-hmm.
I scalped. Now long. I went long
Mm-hmm.
here at 6, and I'm still seeing it long, but I need to look at SPY. Isn't it bad, eh?
Yeah, you get used to.
Okay, so the RSI seems to be gaining a little bit of strength here.
Half a short on INTC is a little bit annoying, but I think it doesn't want to hold the moving average. I think it's fake.
Okay.
Because yes, the tape is looking okay, but the tape is a little bit too crowded in both directions. So there we go, making a higher high.
I got out. I feel like it's gonna go down.
Mm-hmm. Me too. Where's that level? I need to put that level there. Oh no, that's not the ones. I'm still looking at my keys.
The sector map is quite red. Yeah.
I'll try to get the best price there
Mm-hmm.
with tight stop loss, and then if I lose, I'm out. It works. We go to the casino. I didn't get it.
Mm.
I'm at it.
Making no sense.
Do you have? Okay, so it hasn't interacted yet with the 6888. Did you get an update?
Yeah, they are okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, in futures, 6950. So at 6950 for the futures, and we're looking at SPY. Ooh, acceleration on that pullback, eh?
Yeah, yeah. It's,
Okay, so we're looking.
I wanted to flip long, but like it's just I don't have strong reasons to go long right now.
No, I agree with you.
So, though I'm trading one that is kind of sketchy. And yeah, Zach?
I'm long, but it's more a kamikaze long. So I got the bottom. Let's
Yeah.
see.
Kamikaze.
I should even move my stop loss to break even on.
For me, we'll see at 6950 for the future, and oof, that map is very, very mixed when we've got the sector map. So we've got technology and semiconductor, red, and more red. Ooh. INTC is pretty much, INTC and IBM are pretty much the only tickets that are showing some strength. And then we've got financial that's a little bit mixed or flat. Wow, communication, Amazon, Tesla, Google, Meta, Eli Lilly, everybody like Nvidia, Broadcom, Microsoft, PLTR, Oracle, Apple, all red. Whoa.
So far, I like that it touched 3 times my level, but the 3 last time was less low.
Mhm.
So let's see how it looks like it's holding good. I have a real tight, really tight stop loss.
Nice.
But 10-cent stop loss.
Nice.
And it still me in, but it didn't step me out right away. So that's pretty good.
Yumery, you're looking long or short?
I'm not sure yet. Right now, what I'm looking at is the level at 68882 on SPY, and we're looking at a level on the future of 6950. So those are the two that seem to be correlated. The SPY, I mean, the tapes are very,
Very mixed.
very, very mixed. Thank you, Davey. I was looking for, I was gonna
Yeah.
say, you know, but the battle's there. The battle is there for sure.
Okay, touching my level again. Let's see. It's gonna break.
Okay, so it's pulling through, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay,
It broke.
6950 and SPY has not touched yet the 68882, and nor did the futures at 6950. What are you?
INTC.
INTC short?
Yes. Something is that INTC have gained like and had some value. And another thing is that you just decide to go like bizarre. It's like what the heck? It's like, well, let's do it at the game.
Mm-hmm. Well, that contract, I believe, they got a contract.
Yeah.
I know, a lot of time, well, last time they had a contract in Flush, right? I remember because I was going long on the news, and it just went. Okay, very close, very close. Did you? Did you? Wow, that's almost impossible, but it did not hit by a penny.
Yeah, I have a level at 688.30 for a SPY.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, minus 20.
But it doesn't mean I believe it's gonna hold because like the market is bleeding quite a lot right now.
Okay, so it hit it, and where's our? Oh wow.
You haven't hit the 688.30.
No, me it hit by 950.
I'll show you have different prices for those products.
Oh, we got numbers.
Ooh la la. Okay, done.
Okay, went through it like butter.
Yeah, SPY is 30 cents from my level right now. 37 cents from my level.
I'm gonna read the news, I guess. 10 minutes.
Yeah, I will look at it too. So let's see what we got here.
US existing home
Hires.
sales actual better than expected.
Mm-hmm. Iron.
4.25 million, forecast 4.22 million. Business inventory 0.3, forecast 0.1. I think that's bad. There was the Supreme Court opinion on tariff again. Maybe that went out. No.
Did you see what he said on that one? He said that if they push against them, they're gonna be screwed because they have to pay hundreds of billions to other countries. They have to pay back hundreds of billions. It's like what?
Mm-hmm. Incredible. Eh? Okay, so the next level.
How about the news? You know.
Hello, Leon. Let's take a look at those tickets. MR. There we go. Oh, my bad, Leon. Hello, Mr. and Miss. So, hello, right back at you. How are you doing? What are you trading today? I'm trading INTC and Nvidia. I'm not doing that good today, so I have to stay put for a little bit. Let's see how we get the car back to the track. So Marie's trading SPY or the futures, basically.
Futures.
SE.
Okay,
Yes,
so
Zach, do you have any trade right now? No.
No.
Took a partial there. That was my mistake. And did you see Google all the way down? All the way down.
wow. Here it says, like, obviously, you know, it obviously had to pull back, but 0.73, not even 1% down, but we know that 1% on Google is.
Yeah.
We're talking the heat map.
Yeah, like you're gonna show it now. So
I'm long on SPY again. Let's see.
Like-
Maybe I'm going long and
Yeah,
it
it's
won't work
roughly-
for the day, but
$4 or $5 down. $300 ticket is not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Especially for the swag that Nvidia and other tickets are experiencing.
I'm long. I'm aiming for come back to 689.
Mm-hmm.
So
Please, Zach, stop buying INTC.
hmm?
It's not the day. You're gonna be able to get it cheaper tomorrow. So stop buying INTC.
Order filled.
You talking to yourself?
To you?
I'm not buying NTC, my guy.
Ay. Who the heck is buying INTC, man? It's like it's flying compared to the other tickets.
Maybe I'm buying then. Maybe it's the other people using my money. So much I cannot trade alone.
I look a little bit like stair stepping for INTC, so
Partial at around 59, 59 something.
nice.
Let's see if we can turn back that day. Ay. What is that pullback?
Remember that those doesn't work?
Oh, see?
Yeah, it's tricky when you swap.
Oh my God.
Like Marie was pushing her hotkeys for that.
Right? Do that to me.
Ay. What a day.
What a crappy day.
Yeah, what a crappy day. Because like for example, it's the same thing every day. It's like, I mean, whenever we do those mistakes, it's like, why did I went long on Nvidia? Like, why? Well, the level was there. Like, I won't blame too much myself, but like, I do believe in. I have like a week or so, maybe more, believing in the short on Nvidia.
That's true, eh? You've been talking about
Yeah, like I took some of them that work in a couple of days ago, like, but like, right now it's just like, this was the flush I was wanting to, but.
Something around.
flattening.
Why does it look strong, my guy?
Yeah, like no,
A little
it's
bit of consolidation there, eh?
I don't know work, you know. Stop being lazy, my guy. Stop being lazy. Shake it off and do what you have to do. So we're gonna go 60-minute chart here. So
Okay, let's go. Just make it to my partial, and then
We've got a curling
Go to VWAP.
RSI.
don't drop from there.
oh yeah.
Ay.
So then we have the spot.
You have something at 88.90
I will be there right now.
on the level 2 or on 5.
The spot
keep
SPY,
rejecting it.
SPY. What level did you say?
638.90.
There are 10 lots, very little.
At what?
88.90.
Yeah, very little amount. There is no, it's not relevant enough.
88.40.
Yeah, 88.40 have 100 lot.
152. Oh no, that's 89.40. Sorry about that, guys.
So I will probably get there, right? Like, come on.
What consolidation, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Baby, come back, come back.
Okay, so we start getting some buyers here, but
Oh, that window is open. I'll be back. I'm gonna keep it open, but just not too low.
Okay, I got my
okay,
partial.
there we
Ooh,
go.
ooh,
Let's
nice.
pop. What a nice pop.
Okay, I got a partial at VWAP. That's pretty
I
good.
got a partial as well.
Nice.
Flat on the day now. Just recuperate everything. Pretty good. Let's see where that one share can go.
Look at you.
Took another partial.
There we go. That's for Marie.
Here
comes the money.
I'm so glad I waited to go in. Oh,
Just watch out, guys, for 690.50.
Order filled.
Get to 690.50, my guy. That'd be good.
Yeah, it's right there. Actually, Zach, it's 70 cents the way it's going.
What?
70 cents from it.
Mm-hmm. That would be good.
Ah la 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 la.
But yes, going up. It's having trouble at the future VWAP. So it's right there. I'm aiming for the 50 for my last partial, and then I'm trailing my stop loss too. That's it. Did the 40.
almost there.
Yeah, now you got to 50, my guy.
I,
Order filled.
my,
Took a partial.
I have a strong level of resistance there, but like, don't listen to me. You guys are doing good.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
my, okay. Yeah, like one mistake that I did, because it can go higher one day. But one mistake that I do is, it's maybe not a mistake because it's just safe. I took partial really close.
Mm-hmm.
Then I had an order at a price that I thought it was a good one. So when it pierced it with the big candle,
Yeah.
I filled my order and it went way higher, so I took another one.
Okay.
So I took too much and not a lot of price. So.
Oh, sweet.
Hey, but you made everything back, so
I'm great today. So that's good.
691.90. Yeah, I was missing my spy. Thank you for coming by. Okay, so right now it seems to be at top of my level there. We found some sellers. That's true because today, woof. Okay, we found some pressure there. What's going to happen?
I need a vacation.
37.
37. Ah, la 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 la. Ah, la 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 la. Maria, Maria.
Okay.
Dee-dee-dee.
Okay, so that was the bottom of that level, and it's still pushing. So SPY in the 60-minute EMA. No, the 60-minute 200 EMA
Mm-hmm.
seems to be finding a little bit of strength, but we will see. So right now I'm at. Okay. Very
I'm gonna be slipping. I'm gonna be slipping short soon.
Yeah, very close. You took the words right out of my mouth. It needs to go through that level right there. It's re-entering the opening range. I need to back up.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
It's a tennis ball. It won't kill you.
No, I mean, I need to back up because you're in my back. Like, you know what I mean?
Ah, okay, yeah.
You see. I don't think you've ever hit me with that ball. If you hit me with that ball, it's going to be.
Yeah, we were not boxing, you know?
Yeah, it's like if you hit me with that ball, I don't think that it would be intentional.
Intelligent. Oh, yeah, yeah.
We'll see what's gonna come after, but
Just saying, you are
Okay.
so dead, my guy. You are so dead.
yeah, you're funny.
It's tomorrow. I don't see you back. I know what happened.
Yeah.
He hit me with the ball.
The worst part is that you won't be able to find the body. Do you know that she's a chemistry?
The what?
That she's a chemistry, so you will make it.
Ah,
Chemist.
Chemist, yeah.
chemist.
Yep. Well,
Really? You did your school in chemistry?
Yes.
Nice. I hated chemistry though, but
Oh,
You were not alone on that one. Like, I don't hate it actually. I just wasn't that
it's.
good.
I mean, come on! It's the building. Yeah, I'm not
I
gonna
like
sell
physics
you
way
on
more.
chemistry. I'm not gonna sell you on chemistry, but yeah, chemistry was big for me. I really liked it. Nomenclature and all that. That was very interesting.
One of the most fascinating is that the different, the three type of links.
Yes,
Yeah, like.
right? And they were able to separate them. In their properties. That was pretty impressive, yeah, when I read that. That was impressive. Okay.
I'm going short. I went short a bit late. Yeah, I saw something on the footprint that was indicating.
You guys are always late.
Oh my guy.
Hey, look at him.
Calmate, amigo.
Okay, Ella. No, Lila is the one that say that.
What is it that she says?
Calmate. It's like.
Oh,
calm
cálmate,
down, my guy.
sí. Cálmate.
Amigo.
Amigo.
Muy caliente. I don't know what that means.
That,
Very hot.
that means very hot.
But you cannot say it to a person.
Yeah, but that then it means something else.
Yeah, you're very hot.
Yeah.
If it's a question though, but yes, you can. I'm so happy that I did not come out because it did not go to my level. So I might take one more partial, but when we're looking at, oh yeah,
You do not come out of the loan.
nope.
I went short, but let's see. Like I saw a lot of absorption. I
Okay.
don't know if it's a good enough indicator to go short, but we'll see.
For me, the level that I have, Zach, and maybe you can help me with that because I'm still just starting, but the level that I have for the future is still not crossed the, so my level is 6970. What is that to you in futures?
I don't put my level in future, but 6970 is a level in the SPY. It's the equivalent of a level in SPY.
Okay. So it's the same. So I'm gonna keep one for the glory. So I still have some. I still have a contract there, but because it hasn't reached the 6970, which seems to be my level of flipping to either adding to the long or flipping to the short, would be right there. So I'm gonna stay a little bit quiet.
Yeah, freaking long from there.
Oh, let's go. There we
It's
go.
just that it broke the. For me, I went short because it broke the VWAP too of
Okay.
the future and of the stock. But now it's the VWAP stock. Waiting. Yeah, so I saw a lot of absorption again, so that's good. Like that.
Yeah, like Nvidia put a very nice 5-minute candle toward the upside.
I touched VWAP on the stock, rejected it. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see after.
Did it
Touching
retest?
again.
Because I've got big ones there. Did it retest the 6? No, it did not.
Which one?
688.20 on SPY.
No, it didn't.
So it did not make a lower low there.
No. But the actual low is 6. Let's see. SPY. Yeah, the actual low is 687.67.
Okay. But after that, it did not go
Lower, no.
No.
No, like the 688.20, it didn't come back to test it.
Mm-hmm.
It actually.
At 10:30, there's some news, but they don't seem to so important. But still,
Okay, I will take a look at those.
it's crude oil inventory, gasoline inventory, and
Yeah,
distillate
that's not
inventory.
important anymore. We have a lot of oil.
Yeah. Ooh, I don't like that push. Let's see. There's a big fight at the on
There's
the
a
stock.
consolidation there, right?
Mhm.
So SPY is at the 200 EMA in the 60 minutes. So
Let's see. Koreapa. It's having trouble, man. It's a fight there.
Yeah, so.
okay, I could be getting a sunburn from the red from the sector map right now. Phew. Not a lot of green. Real estate. But
And it's like the sector map, the heat map is really, really red. Like it's very intense. Like,
that's what I just said, right? Like it's like getting a sunburn.
Mm-hmm.
That's a bright, bright, bright red. Bright red.
It's having a lot of trouble to go down or up.
Mm-hmm.
Big wave.
Yes.
Now almost bursting down, coming back up. A little burst down maybe. As a small short, it's working good, but
Yeah, like I don't want to prematurely go out of this trade because, like for example, SPY is doing to me what it's supposed to be doing. So, like yes, he pushed back, but like he didn't hold above 690.50. So until he hold above 690.50 for good, I don't look long right now.
there's a partial. I have 2 shares left.
Nice. You are short too, right?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's
Alright.
breaking one of my levels. So next level it would be 88.30.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see it. I'm gonna take a partial at 88.30.
Today is Wednesday, right? Because we have witching Friday. Like witching day is this Friday, so
That was a good call of you.
like I will ask myself right now, why are people selling ahead so fast? It doesn't have to be related to witching Friday, but like it's very very intense the way that it's selling.
Mhm.
Like, do you see the 1 minute candle on SPY right now?
So yesterday I have the whole, like not the whole day, but the whole morning to trade.
Nice.
Tomorrow I need to go at 11, but it's still good to trade a lot.
Yeah.
And Friday I need to go at 10, so that's gonna be a bit short. But... So Tuesday and Friday I need to go at 10.
Okay.
Maybe I'm gonna place my orders, and if it's still me in, I just look at it from school. I got another partial.
Nice. Mary 2, I guess. That was a partial or that was an out?
That was my out. I
Here comes the money.
break even.
And I came back that day. Ooh la la la. I was down 3 hours. Then I'm up 2 hours. I know.
We
Started in the like first 5 minutes. I was down 2 hours.
Ay,
So I said to myself, "What are you doing? Like, just wait a bit." Then I waited. Going. Do you think you will make a lower low?
I think he will. I kind of don't know exactly where toward the downside because it already broke my levels. But like, and I have.
687.60.
Let me pay attention while you are saying.
I have 80.
What did you say?
I have 80.
680 what?
687.60.
Okay.
They're building a level of over 400 lot and keep building. But
I have a level at
my level is
87.45.
687.
Sorry.
Sorry,
Sorry.
my level is 687, but it seems like 687.60 is very big on the tape.
Yeah, mine's a little bit closer to SAC. Mine is 687.27, but with the expectation of not holding too much in there. And then it's 685.05.
Okay, so for me, the chart level is 687, tape level is 687.60, but my level on the chart is 687. It was previous resistance for a while, but now it turned into
Support.
very strong support, So we'll see at 687 what it does. There doesn't seem to have a big position there. Like I said, seems like it doesn't want to go there at 687.60.
I kill my stop loss if it make a higher candle than the previous drop. I don't know. And then I'm aiming for 687.45. I have a level, so if it break the level it's in right now, it will probably go there. Or to your 60. So your 60 would be lower low.
What?
Yeah, that
Your
the level
60
you
would
gave.
be a lower low.
No, I'm hearing.
You guys don't hear me good?
No, Marie hears something and she got surprised. Or something like that.
Oh, big push. A big absorption in the bottom of the last two candles, so that signal bullish a bit. And the candle gets compressed.
What did you hear, Marie?
I'm trying to find it again.
How are you doing on the futures, Mary?
Today, excellent.
That-
Excellent.
Yes, you're gonna get funded in 2 days.
Haha.
I told you. But it's yeah, it's very tricky today because it's very choppy.
Even there, like, look at the consolidation there. I could go with both ways.
Mm-hmm. Seven.
It's breaking. Break. Take the bottom.
Yeah, they were saying that, yeah. They were just talking about the arrest of Maduro and the speculations of Cuba and Colombia
Mhm.
affecting the market. But I thought that the way that they were talking, it was almost like it's done. And I was like, what? What? No, it's not done. What?
Having problem there, like on both sides. So.
Okay, so 687 seems to be. So, what do we see?
Uh, basically like SPY still on the bottom there, but like, yeah. Like, why is INTC still going higher? Like, I'm reading the print and basically like, yeah, it just it has offer higher and higher, and they just keep going through. Just notice that that's the opening price. So NVDA kind of find a bottom there, but went down quite a lot. So like now probably 183. Yeah, this is a dump trade. So let's see if I find a better spot for INTC.
Oh.
Whoa, oh, oh. So INTC, let me look at my levels. Trading like a cow. So Nvidia is at 182. We're gonna go a little bit on Nvidia. Let's see. And like, I just don't believe in the long, you know.
You don't, huh?
Yeah, it's
I see it reversing there.
like INTC is different because INTC is being pushed by different
Order
forces.
fulfilled.
But like, look at like it's like yeah, okay. And Nvidia is trying to go higher. I'm gonna go just smaller sizes because there we
Good.
go.
On Zoom on the day, look how choppy it is.
For which one? Spy?
Spy.
Yeah.
Like it make it look like it's going to hell, then it's coming back to almost breaking even on the day. Then it's doing the same.
Order filled.
Almost 2 hours, so it was pretty good
Nice.
comeback. And I went both ways today, I think. Yeah. Are you guys, Davey, are you green today?
No, I'm red today.
What did you trade? You traded,
I trade INTC
INTC?
and Nvidia,
mhm.
and like I went too aggressive in some of them, but Nvidia was just a mistake, and INTC hard-headed is. I can make it back. It's just yeah, I have been tilted for whatever reason it is. So yeah.
Mm.
But as I say, not too bad. We can MacGyver it.
A lot on your plate.
Well, basically, I think I have to change a couple of things on my way of trading. So
Okay.
Are you entering only at the level or in between? What do you do?
that's exactly. For example, I seem to not be good following my plan. So like basically, like I say at the open I want to go short on Nvidia,
Okay.
but when it got to the level that was a long, I took the long and I took it twice because I thought it was going to hold. But like I have there is a pending price at around 173 on Nvidia that is for a long time, and yeah, I saw Nvidia coming from 186 to 183, 186, 183, but yeah, there is no reason to go long
Order filled.
at the bottom. So yeah, it's just buying bad prices probably. That's the answer. But yeah, we're gonna make it back. There is not much stress about it. Don't worry, my guy. It's gonna be just a red day.
But don't you consider that it was a good long because you took at the level? But like it was, if it was going long, it was the best long you could have taken. That's how I see it sometimes, and it's like,
Yes, but like how market regime that we are, loans are not favorable. So, but which is okay, you know. Like you guys scalp it a little bit, like, but yeah.
yeah, but at that time there was a chance that it was going long, you know?
Knowing the way I look at it, Zach.
Okay.
Like I think that fluctuation is the side that is, and like I don't want to sound too convinced of it, but like it's the way I see it. It's like the side that is wrong about the move, that is fighting for the move, that will create the fluctuation to where pop, and then like the overall population is just gonna slam on the short, and they won't have another choice than to just be squeezed out. But yeah,
Like, can you go on the 1 minute on your chart?
yeah, for
That
sure.
I see.
Yeah.
Like, just to see if there was a reaction at that price?
Yeah, you see here, like this was the first long I took. Didn't
It's
work.
delay a bit, just so I don't see it. But,
You see it there?
okay. Yeah, so it was just straight down.
Yeah, then it went like, and then the other level was here, and that one worked, but then I didn't took partial, so I came out, and then I went long again, and then I came out, and now it's that I came short. So, but if you hear in the streaming, I was saying I won the short, so, and that is why I got a little bit frustrated about it, but.
Yeah.
As I say, we can do okay with that.
But like you see on SPY today, I made a lot of money going up, even though it was down.
Yeah, but just scalp it. Like basically, that's what I have to do more.
But it's not even a scalp, it's just being able to flip your head and just take the good levels and take partial soon, and then when it's going down, back down, you try to go the opposite or something. Like,
Yeah. Yeah. Good trade management.
like the reason why I took my long
So
on
right
SPY,
now-
I remember.
It's at the level.
Yeah, it's at the 45,
Yeah.
40.
Did you say?
So
It's at
the
the
reason that I
level.
took,
Of interaction.
Yeah, I hear you already. So Zach, did you say? Did I didn't interrupt you? Sorry.
so the reason that I took my long on SPY was at 10.3.
Mm-hmm.
Look at how it made a lower wick, then higher,
Right
higher,
there.
higher. Like it was stepping up. And the wick was just the news. And like I remember a lot of the time the news is gonna tank and it's gonna go back up. So I took my long and it worked pretty good.
Are your tapes flipping, guys?
Let me look at mine. So INTC, no, the tape looked really bearish.
Okay.
Nvidia, the tape looks really bearish as well. So let's look at SPY. SPY doesn't look really bearish, but looks bearish. So, oh my gosh.
What price did I got that short? At, 690.11. So that's a pretty big drop from it.
There might be a big drop in a couple minutes, but like, let's see.
Yeah, like
Order filled.
Okay.
There we go. Look at that flush.
it's so annoying I'm taking partial so soon, but it's also a good thing, but it's annoying, you know.
Yeah, like, well, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. It's like, or I take partial or I don't take partial. Like, to me, it's like when we are playing Fortnite. If I decide to play chicken, it's very hard to swap to less push people. But if I decide to push people, then I cannot stay quiet. You know,
Yeah,
it's
to
like,
be doing chicken.
yeah, like my brain is not agile at doing those things. So yeah, it's not horrible, but like I lose the rhythm. That's what I'm trying to say.
But I think it's proven that taking partial quick is better on the long term.
Of course, I told you I have data on that. Like I did I did a simulation very long ago about it, and like yes, the one that is taking partials here and there is like very steady, like slower, but in the long term is way more. So yeah, there we go. INTC. INTC is gonna lose the crap out of it. It's just I went too aggressive at the beginning, and now I am playing chicken a bit. But
Like I always do that mistake, and It's like, let's say I have one share. I had one share at the bottom, like at 1033 when it did the consolidation. I had one share and I wanted to keep the profit of that share because it moved a lot. So just to keep it, I just trailed my stop loss like really close.
6.
But then it made a higher high, then pulled back like a whole other move. Like the share would have doubled almost. You know?
Yeah. Well, the way it feels to me is like sometimes let's say I have like let's say I have 4 hours and I take 2 and it's like 30 seconds after it's again 4 hours but I haven't had. So that means if I didn't took before, instead of having 4 hours, now I have 8 hours and I will be taking 4 hours. And it's like that, this very tricky brain mind game. I don't know how you call that thing, but yeah. But like we can handle it little by little. We just have to be patient, you know. Like
Yeah.
it's just like some days you are tilted, and if you trade tilted and you trade aggressive, you're gonna pay the price for that. And yeah, but it's okay.
It's true, right? So
Okay, we have profit to be off.
you're
Ay, ay, ay. All that being said, my guy, you are doing fantastic. I'm so happy for you, and just
Thank
keep
you.
doing what you're doing. Like, try to not think about it, especially like look at your best buddy here. Like, we unfortunately don't do as good as you are wise because we don't do that much partially. So I think you are the one that is right on the one. So keep doing your job.
I know.
Maria, do you have a trimmer here?
No.
No? You are done for the day?
No, I'm waiting for the reversal, but they would have to be
It looks
a strong
soon.
one. Okay?
Like I'm hesitating to enter long at 40, 686.40. I have a level, and stochastic looks like it's gonna reverse.
686.47.
Yeah, 40, but yeah, 47 would be good too.
47, there's a almost, ooh, no, 40, 686.40, yeah, there's almost a 300 left.
Nice.
No.
It looks like it's moving right now. But,
I see it.
maybe it's gonna come back.
God, no.
No?
630, no, sorry. 635 for me was a really, really, really big level, so we'll see what's going to happen. I mean, oh, sorry. 6935 for the future, and it was
Legol resign?
687. Eh?
Legol resign? What?
Freaking finally. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. Oh,
I didn't know that he
so
was in the process with that.
happy. Well, that's enough to reverse the market.
You know what?
You're funny.
Did you hear, Zach?
No? I didn't hear it.
Apparently Legol resigned.
Who resigned?
Le go.
François Legol.
Really? Legault is not the Prime Minister and Quebec Prime Minister? Something
Yeah.
like that? Oh. That long was obvious. Just couldn't get the price again. like if I can get the loan from the bottom, I would get the small, like 1 share maybe, or 2 shares, and keep it for the day. Or
Oh la la. Like I wanna be. We are going up.
yeah, man. Since we went to skate at Murray's house,
Mhm.
I don't know why, but it's the first time that happened to me. Like, I think I put my skates too tight,
Ay, ay, ay.
You're what?
and I think I put my skates too tight, and it's the first time it happened to me, and I always tight them a lot. I like one day after, j'étais engourdi. I don't know how to say engourdi.
Numb.
but,
Yeah,
numb.
yeah, okay.
Numb?
The side of my feet was numb, of my right foot, and so when I was scratching or something, I didn't feel much. And now it's been like 1 week and a half since we went, or 2 weeks.
Yeah, like 1 week and a half.
Yeah, and I still don't feel my side.
My guy, do I have to pick you up to go to the doctor? No, yeah, that's for real. Like,
Like-
you should go and check that out because
But I checked online. I know it's not the best, but they say like that it's nerve compression,
mhm.
and it happens sometimes when you play hockey.
Okay.
And like that it takes time to get better.
You
It
know
takes
what may
like a
help?
month
If you
sometimes.
put your feet on like hot water, like with salt, and if you give your feet after like a very nice massage, like where you feel that it's like numb, but you have to be very gentle. Like
Yeah, but they were saying to put ice on it because it's
Inflamed.
yeah, but
it's not inflated. Like
yes,
it looks normal.
it's like the circulation. That's why I say hot water because
Yeah, but it's not the circulation. It's the
It's
nerve.
a nerve. But usually the
That's what they were saying.
compression, usually when they're talking about nerve compression, Zach, don't they talk, the compression is from inflammation?
From what I read, it's like when you tight your skates too much, you can like compress a nerve, and then after that, it's gonna be numb for sure, and it's gonna hurt because it's like rebuilding the nerves in
Okay.
the part that you squeeze. And they say to put ice because it reduces the nerve. I don't know what is like ice 10 minutes a day on the part that is numb. And they say after 1 month, if it's not gone, then you go consult.
Okay.
oh yeah. You're getting old, my guy.
But like nervous things like that, it's like hard to know or hard to confirm.
Mhm.
Mm.
You know, it could be like in my back that at the gym that I push too much, or
Yeah, and then you don't know which one.
the
is-
nerve in my back that goes to my feet is hurt.
Yeah,
or
so-
it could be under compression, or it could be dying too. So we don't know.
all right.
That's the beauty of life. We don't know.
My guy. You're funny. So I see that INTC keep holding the 200 moving average very nice here. So I don't know. Like, I mean, this is. You shouldn't be going higher again, my guy. You know, like why is INTC pushing again? Yeah, but as long as you keep eyes on that, like just don't forget about it. Like, oh, and I don't take care of it for 6 months, and then you're really damaged.
Mm.
So I had to.
Yeah, like in 2 weeks, I'm gonna go do something. But like, I don't know who to see, because I don't think my family doctor would be a good place to go. Maybe more like physiotherapy or something like that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Physio.
Or I don't know if I go to the pharmacy, they can tell me what to do.
Sometimes at the pharmacy, they're able to help. I think that for what you've got, they're probably getting, suggest something off counter. But yeah, they're pretty good, right? Larry uses
Or-
them a lot.
Yeah.
Or I call the 811 just for them to tell me what I should do.
Mm-hmm.
7 minutes ago, I received that Marie is on her way.
What is wrong with my thing?
On our way to profitability. Boom!
Look at you!
Oh, drop the mic. Yeah. 8:45. Is it yours? But it's true, mine have been having issues. So I don't think it's yours.
I don't know.
You must wonder sometimes, like, what the heck? You should tell me.
No.
Saying, hey, you didn't say that you were on your way, so that I check.
What happened
And
is
then
that
I'm able to check.
after 8:40, I assume that you are on your way. So
Mm.
I just don't look. If I haven't received it after 8:40, I don't even look at it. I just keep doing whatever I'm doing. And then I hear Dumbo saying like, "Oh."
Yeah, he's your Marie alarm. Okay.
Dumbo, the guard dog.
You what?
Dumbo, the guard dog.
Oh yeah, he is. Like right now, we're sitting our grandson's dog, and oh my God, he's not talking, and it's about it. It's so nice.
It's not a dog, it's a horse.
He's not quite there compared to Dumbo, yeah, but he's not quite there yet. Do you see reversal here?
Me?
Yeah, you guys.
I don't. I see a long, like
Hey.
until 688.
You're alone?
I'm not in a long, but I see long until 688.
One of the problems I see with looking for a reversal is that we have a lot of volume in the second candle in pretty much everything. So, including a SPY. So, if you look, things are here saying that we have more downside to go. So that's a little volume analysis that I have been like not doing because I'm lazy eventually. But yeah, so yeah, we have two of a high volume in the second candle. So I kind of don't like that for the long. But we're gonna have to be nimble. We're gonna have to wait. And let's see where
Like-
we go.
It looks like it's gonna reverse.
If I have to bet on it, I would say it doesn't reverse until it prints 685.
Wow.
But take
How
it
you
with
mean
a-
reverse to the long?
Okay. Do you have a level at 685?
Wow. Your shoulders are really
Yeah.
bugging
Far,
me.
my guy.
Yeah, it's very far, but like I have a
I
level
don't
at 685, 685.05. I have a level for a spy.
I don't have any.
On the if we're looking tape, 685.50,
Okay, so
On both
how
tapes.
many lots do you have in there?
200.
Okay, because
I have 685.50 on the levels.
there we go. Maybe we'll
It's
balance
inside
it
of my
as
level.
before.
Let's see if I put it right.
So let me
Yeah, like-
yeah.
It could go to 85. It's just I didn't put it that precise, but mine goes to 85.07.
Yeah, notice how things are trying to reverse now, and the volume in the 5 minutes is kind of going lower and lower and lower. Extremely, pretty much. Nvidia the same. Okay, in 2 minutes I will be able to gauge it a little bit better, especially if this candle finishes to be red, because let's see.
For me, what I'm seeing is like it won't make a lower low, and it will reverse for the rest of the day. That's what I'm seeing.
Okay.
It's more based on the stochastic, so stochastic. Like it went up and now it's going down. It's almost all the way down, and it didn't do a lower low. So like what I'm seeing, and the
My
long
RSI is the
stochastic,
same.
the long stochastic saying that it's gonna go up, like in the long term.
He's going up. Yeah, that's on trap people. So let's say Google not looking that good right now. So what
686.70 for SPY.
what did I wanna look?
It's
for?
almost a 400 lot.
For a spy.
We went to 40.
686.
What did you say on fire?
Oh, now I can look. Now that it has it.
686.70.
Oh yeah.
It's almost a 400 level, and we're in 500 if you're looking at a couple of cents around that level. Seems to be quite big.
Last candle had a lot of absorption in the bottom.
Do we have our numbers coming out before 11:30?
I'm checking
I
it
believe
out.
that the next one is, let me look at this.
It's 12.
So that's,
Fed speaking.
At
yeah,
12, okay.
Fed speaking, but numbers, the next one should be initial job claims.
Okay.
Jobless claims tomorrow at 7:30.
When you say Fed speaking, do you know the name or you just say Fed speaking?
Yeah, it's Fed Bostic,
Bostic, okay.
Kashkari, and Williams.
Okay, the-
Williams is at 210.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
There's a bunch of news in the market news column.
I didn't expect volatility to be so high today, but I guess that when we look at the VIX, we can assume that it was expected.
Mm-hmm. Explain why.
Why I didn't see it, or why?
No, why now? If you want to explain your comment right now.
But like, I don't have an answer on it, but like basically like the market have been kind of choppy for a couple of days. Like let's say if we look at Spider in the 60-minute chart, we can even go 30 probably. But let's say 60-minute chart. We have been between 685.50. Yeah, 685.50 and roughly all-time high on 690 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like it's just like basically what I'm trying to say here. This movement here, like this trading here, last roughly 3 days. Then it went all the way under. Then it claimed it one day here. Then it went above. Then it went under again. And like, yeah, if you see in the last, like this is yesterday trading. After the swank at the open, no, yesterday is this one, yeah. Yeah, yesterday it did like that rounded top here. So it kind of sell off enough that today I didn't expect the sell off to go that much.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
But like I really didn't expect a SPY, like let's say what is it like what it actually did. So today, just today, for example, from the open, it went from 691.68 to 686.4. So that's like a 0.5%. It's not a lot when we look at the like it's always the same thing. We look at it and like in the chart it looks like a lot, but
big moves, but
percentage wise it's not that much. So, but yeah, let's say we have like a big flushes to the downside. Like look at Nvidia, that was a big flush. That one on Nvidia, yes, that one was a big flush. But why I say now that we can look at the VIX is explainable. Look at the VIX. Like let's say in the 60 minute, look at that spike. The VIX went from 1475 to 18.707. That's a lot. And something that I like that I have been learning about the VIX, that I don't pay much attention to the VIX. It's not an indicator that I am looking every day. But if you notice here, like the VIX a couple of days ago, like this is a what time frame chart? I don't know what time frame is this chart, but like let's see if I can see it. Title. There we go. Yeah, it's a 15-minute chart. So what I see in that 15-minute chart is the other day, like we were talking about, the VIX gap up a lot, and then it came all the way back down. So what I am saying that I learned or that I am memorizing here is that when the VIX start getting spikes toward the upside, even if it normalizes after during market time, something is going behind that we probably we are not aware of, and then it just like come back all the way up. Like basically, if we see the VIX one more time, like in the future, the VIX is getting spiky, though it doesn't get critical points. Let's just pay attention because something might be about to go there. So, like, yeah. That's not very technical. It's very opinionated. So, but
No,
take it for what it worth it. So
no,
it's,
but I think it's a good analysis. Thank you, Davey. Now I'm looking at, okay, do you have reversal signals, guys?
let me look at my levels before I say anything.
I think the rest of the day is gonna go long. That's my take on that.
I have like
Like it won't make a lower low.
okay.
That's what I think. Right now it will make like it will go higher than the previous peak, like it's going higher. I would say to 688, something like that. Then it's gonna come back a bit, but overall, I think it's gonna go up with theirs. Also, it's down 0.9%. That's a bit too much to like. Usually, SPY goes down that much and then recuperate. Take partial, my guy.
Thank you, Zach.
NTC, you have 3 hours.
Yeah.
Continue.
My guy, I'm waiting for INTC to break 47.
So it's bouncing off 47. It's having trouble to break 47.
Yeah. No, you haven't got there yet. Like that's way below. My target is way below yet.
But what is that line that it bounced 3 times?
Let's see, I think it was in the 1 minute. Oh, that's the 200 moving average. But that's what I mean, like you don't hug the 200 moving average that often if you really want to escape from it.
Where was the other chart that you had? Like I'm delayed, so
Yeah, so
the one
this one.
so yeah, like
You see that bad boy here? So it got pushed from there. That value there is sketchy. It's sketchy because we don't have enough information about that one.
yeah, but just a question, like
Yes, yes.
why wouldn't you take a partial if you know that the chance of reversal there are higher than everywhere?
Oh, that's a good question.
Yeah, the reason why I don't want to take any partial is because I am waiting for, like, I think there is a bigger flush for the day, and it's not a regular flush. The reason for that is because the way that the market is moving seems to be like news related. So, and the news that we are talking about probably haven't hit the wire yet. But yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
taking off like a quarter
mm-hmm.
will still make you a lot of money if it's great.
Yeah.
It will still get you safe. But yeah.
Yeah, I will try my best in taking more partials, but I really appreciate your feedback. It's, oh no, I think he's right. It's just like I'm not able to be right now, and I think I'm right about the move. So. Does Zach and Mary want to bet on that one? That there is gonna be a flush before the day close?
I'm betting there's no lower low.
Okay. So this is a SPY. And I will be betting like yeah, the same. My statement is gonna and it's not for people in the chat. That's just between Zach, Marie, and I. And do you say what do you say, Marie? Is it gonna make a lower low or not?
Not.
No. Okay. So
And you?
I say it's gonna make a lower low, and it's gonna do a dramatic flush. Like it's not gonna be a pretty candle. Like people are gonna look at it and they're gonna say like, what?
Like the only way you can do that is a new. I think so.
Yeah, but you know why you know why I am speculating about that? Because of the way they are selling. So yeah, right now you're right. So let's wait.
Now it's touching my level. So I think it's gonna reverse a bit from there. Overall, it's not gonna make a lower low.
Okay.
I just saw that, like, you remember I was doing a long-term thing on SPY that every time the stochastic was high, I was selling, stochastic was low, I was buying.
Yeah, you were using like the S1 for that or S3, I don't remember.
Yeah, but now like it would have worked good, like it would work good the last month, like it was pretty choppy in the bigger time frame. Like the 1 hour time frame.
So you think now it will be more reliable?
But it always been reliable. The only problem I have is like I would need to go short without stop loss, and that's scary.
Okay.
So maybe when I have a bigger account and just I just I put a small amount of money just towards that. But like now it wouldn't make sense. But because sometimes the stochastic is high, but it's able to make a higher high a bit, and then it reverses. The higher high, like, the risk is pretty big.
This is so sweet. I went in at such a good.
You went long?
I went long.
Nice.
I waited for that level. I waited for the signal. Oh, I'm breathing.
Fantastic.
It was. It is still.
Does that mean you want a
And
partial?
I'm thinking of it right now. Thank you, Davey, for reminding me.
So at 689.07, it's my other level on the top, and it's combined with the VWAP on the stock. So I might have trouble there if it gets there. And I see absorption on the last candle, like the last candle. Look at SPY chart, like it's up, down, up, down, up, down.
Oh, let's go. Don't
So
they?
those trades did you only trade futures today?
Yep.
Right. So you're
It's
trying
green
to
today.
pass and then
I haven't been jumping in, which I'm very proud of.
Are you using your max buying power?
No.
No.
No, I'm practicing.
using the maxes.
No, I'm practicing still, eh? Whoa-la.
How much contract are you playing with?
1 to 5.
Okay, yeah. I do 5 for now. I do 5. Yeah. 1 to 5 is perfect.
Okay, so now we've got SPY that's interacting with the 200 EMA in a 60-minute. That's something that I changed too.
That's the VWAP too.
So see, that's something that I've changed since I started futures. I'm looking at longer time frames, which is really weird, but yeah. Okay, so we're in a level right now. So, oh yeah, that is SPY. That is T. I see it.
I like to look more at the bigger time frame. The only problem I have with that is that sometimes they convince me too much of like oh, this can go that way or that way, but you know, one of my favorite time frame is the 60-minute chart. I find
Yeah,
it
it's saying
very
like
reliable.
it's saying it can go that way, but it's on the bigger time frame, so it's like it will go the other way before going that way.
Yeah, like no, like you take the tray, and if you don't have the best entry, you do a little move, and it's like, but it didn't move that much.
And I don't know about you guys, but the RSI is climbing quite a lot. It actually took almost 25 points here.
That's for a
My
spy.
stochastic is on the roof,
That's what I'm thinking.
but also that's saying for me that it could have a reversal soon. It's testing my level at 07. It touched it by the penny. Actually, it did 06.
Many products are testing the VWAP. I can see down INTC on a spy,
Okay.
and I'm just gonna check Nvidia right now if he's testing the VWAP too. No, Nvidia is behind the VWAP a little bit. So
Breaking.
yeah, the spy
No,
went above the
if-
VWAP.
Yeah, but okay. It went above the stock VWAP, but not the future
No,
VWAP.
the futures okay.
No.
They're not the same. Now it's going up on top of the future
It's
too.
very getting there. It's climbing. We've got an RSI now that's
Makes me want to go short for a bit. It's risky. I won't do it.
make you want to
they-
go
they're-
what?
Short for like just the pullback move. There's big absorption at VWAP.
All right.
And stochastic indicate a bit of downside. We'll see. I won't go in. I have a good day. I'll keep it. But
Yeah. That's a good mentality that we don't have here.
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Well, we already have it for sure.
We're getting there. We're getting
getting
there.
there, yeah,
We're
yeah,
getting
for
there.
sure.
No, we're not there, but we're definitely getting there.
Yeah, like like myself, like I think, and like I kind of was trying to give advice to Zach whenever he was having like 3 hours down and being read by a lot. But like it's like when you are getting green, the day you get red, like it's just one red and you're like I feel sketchy.
Mm-hmm.
It's but it's a normal thing. So.
okay, it's breaking. No more shorts. No more talking about shorts.
Nice. Nice.
So did we want to?
Wrap it up. can try that.
Are you?
So Nvidia, can Nvidia, what was the low on Nvidia?
RSI is still climbing.
So let's take a quick look at the yeah, the RSI is quite high right now, and we are just about the VWAP, above the VWAP. So I don't know. I know I'm being hard-headed here, but like we're gonna keep it that way. So Nvidia.
We're gonna keep the hard head that way, or we're gonna keep the position.
Yeah, it is consequent, so it will do the same. So
Oh, okay.
being hard-headed means I am keeping the position.
Okay.
So Nvidia print 180, only 91. Do you want to have a double bet? Bet.
What are we betting, Davey? And
We
let's
already
do
bet
this.
on the fact that it will make a lower low. You and Zach say no. SPY is not making a lower low. But my bet here for Fun with Marie is gonna be that Nvidia is gonna go below 180 today too.
My guy is fully bearish.
My guy. I don't want to change my name in that bet, but you know, like I am very certain about my opinion here, but like I could be wrong at any point. That's why I always say it's no financial advice. Like we are not certified to do any financial advice here. This is just a minor move, like for the stock. So make sure you watch and read our disclaimer. But yeah, like basically, it's like. Why is Nvidia holding that price? I don't know. Yeah. So it shouldn't. It should go somewhere around 178, something like that. I don't want, and I'm not being too bearish about it. If I look at my analysis, it's even lower. So, but yeah. So for now, that's okay. Just like, let's wrap it up as Marie just say. So today I did kind of poorly. Trade management here. So let's go with Nvidia first. So I did wanted to go long on Nvidia, short on Nvidia, but because of the because it hit my long level before, I took the long. So I took a long here that didn't work. I took another long that didn't work, and I took another long that didn't work. So I have like basically those are like just 3 losses here, like very quick, and that tilt me a bit. So then when it popped at the VWAP, I decided to go short here, and that is the one I'm still holding, that short. So I think he can break the low, but it will take time because it will be a overall market related. This is not that there is anything wrong with Nvidia specifically. It's just the overall market, in my opinion, is not there yet. So, but yeah, so let's see if he get me out by any chance. I will be looking for a short at a higher price, like 183 could be a good short probably. Yeah, 183 makes more sense to me. So, but that's it for Nvidia. So I am red on Nvidia, and then the one that I did messed up a lot. It was like this was the worst. So that INTC. I am working in sizing up my trades. So I short the INTC here, then I add to the short, add more to the short, and then I came all the way out here. That was a big loss. Like, yeah. And then I shorted again here, and I took a partial here by mistake. When I took the partial by mistake, I add to the short again, but I didn't took partials. And like, that's what my guy have been criticizing there, or giving me suggestion, which he's totally right on it. It's just like it's me who is not in the right mind frame for that. So, but yeah, I'm gonna work on that for sure. I promise. So, and then from that short, I came out exactly at where it turns, and that was another big loss. And then I shorted again, add to the short, and now I am just holding it there and see if it like I in my head it has to lose the 200 moving average. come the 47, and the 47 is where I am coming out. So, and yeah, let's see how it does. I'm expecting a decent flush before the market closed today, and we will see if that comes into play or not. Like Zach right now, I know he's feeling the stress because SPY is rejecting the the VWAP.
I came out, I
But,
closed my position.
Nice. Were you able to?
Don't
keep
worry,
some
I
profit?
don't feel the stress.
I know you are a tough
I
guy.
I am the stress.
You are the stress.
Just
Ay.
kidding.
So, yeah. So that's it for me. And what about you, Marie?
Great.
Marie just traded the futures. Basically, we can do that with the SPY. So I won't be able to see what she did right now, but I know she went long around here.
I went short first.
You went short first, okay? Let us know what.
So I went short at, let me get a time frame that I'm able to see something here. Okay, so, okay, so I would have went short at about 691,
Right here.
correct? Getting out of my position at 688.50 completely. So
At
way
what?
too at 688.50.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Holy crap, that was a good trade, Marie.
Well, for the short.
Yeah.
So,
short from
but
here
then I waited
to here.
because you remember I was saying no, I don't have a good level, so I just sat on it. I went though there. That's where I reversed and took one of my bracket loss by reversing. But then I really waited for my level, and my level was at 687. So I took.
Right here.
So then I went back onto the long at 687.20.
Nice.
And I completely got out of my position at 688.85.
Look at you.
So right now I am looking at, I can't calculate my R's the same, so I've got to.
Like in this case, an R is 100 because it's
Okay, so I got 4 R's.
it's your bracket.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, so more than 4 R's.
Nice.
So I'm happy. I'm practicing still, so I feel that I'm very cautious into now my entries, especially like yesterday was my first day, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah,
really, so yesterday I saw a lot of fluctuation, and that kind of freaked me out. Now I like my charts a little bit more. I'm reading my volumes a little bit more. My KPIs, adjusting the charts, all that good stuff. So, I thought I would be more unbalanced with everything, but thanks to your help, Davey.
Well, like
Yesterday
you-
you helped me
yeah,
a lot, and I've been reading up on it, and with Zach as well, associating the levels of SPY with the futures. Yeah. All of that, like they say, a little community goes a long way.
Yeah,
In
for
this
sure.
case here, it definitely did.
Pretty cool. So nice. So I'm glad you did good and good trade management. So
Thank you, David.
what about you, Zach? The same product for Zach?
Well, for me, it started the day. I took a long at 31, at 9:31. Yeah, I got stepped out. I took a loan at 9:33. Got stepped out, so then I was like, okay, just wait a bit. I took 2 loss really quick, so it wasn't good. Then at I took another loan at 9:39. It was touching my bottom level. Then the wick got me out. And then I took so many entries.
Yeah, Marine, there you have all your KPIs, so you can.
Yeah, and I'm looking at it because, like when I was saying, I'm really it's funny because like my wins and loss are almost, when I say I'm
Equal.
cautious right now. So,
So Zach, the last one you took was a long, right?
Like I'm like I took a long. I took a long at 9:45. It went up to VWAP. I took a partial to VWAP,
Yeah,
And
from
then-
here to there, I guess. Yeah. Okay.
and then I took to break even at 9:52.
Break even.
Then I took a long at like I took too much long.
But you
But
did
when it was moving in my favor, I was moving my stop loss like to break even, so I didn't lose a lot.
Mhm.
Those.
nice.
I took another long at 55. So I'm just gonna see. At 55, it moved in my favor. Took a partial, moved stop loss to break even. Then it broke, so got nothing bad. Then my big long at 10:04.
Mm-hmm.
So right after the new came out, it dropped.
Right here.
Then it went back up a bit.
Oh
I
my
took
God,
a
that was
long
good entry.
at the bottom of the candle of 04.
wow.
Mhm. Basically 687.86
I got
or 687.89, I think it was, which is breaking right now actually.
not it's a bit higher. Like it was at 10:04. So not the candle of the news, but like 4 candle after.
Okay.
I took it at 88.15. Stop loss at the low of the day. Took a partial kind of quick, so that's what I don't like about that trade. Then at 689.13, I took 2 partial, but it was a limit order. Like got those 2. But and the same candle, it went to VWAP and almost an higher.
Mm-hmm.
So I like kind of panicked, so I took a market partial. So now I had only 1 share left.
Like when?
So when it pulled back a bit, it got me out of that. Pretty good trade. And then I took a short, small short at 10:20.
Mm-hmm.
On the top of the 10:20
right.
candle.
Yeah.
And then I wrote it down. So my first partial was way lower on that one, like was at 689.30.
Man, you kill it basically.
And I got another partial a bit below 30 at 689. And then I didn't want it to, no, even lower at 688.29. Sorry.
Pretty good.
And then I didn't want it to go too like higher, so I trailed my stop loss, and then on the pullback, it got me out.
How do you feel about it, man? Like you basically, like from what I can see, like you write it up, you write it down, even when the major trend is writing it down. So like the guy went long, went short, and then went long again, and like, how does that feel?
Yeah, and like I almost went long at the same price as Murray. I don't like at 686, 77,
Yeah,
75.
Like from here.
I remember saying that it was obviously a long, like from there,
Yeah.
and it was. But I
Pretty
I
nice.
play more safe when I have like good profit for the day. So I went from down 3 hours to up 2 hours, and yeah, like for your question, it still feels kind of good to just write it up and down. So,
Hey,
like
my
I knew it was
opinion
gonna
is-
reverse. It's just I didn't know which point, so I tried a lot of long.
Mhm.
But yeah, the long that worked, it worked good. And then the short made me in profit way more. So
Pretty nice, pretty nice. So, all right. So we're gonna try to keep doing good trading. Today I didn't do good trading for anybody out there. Like I'm not proud about my specific trades today, but Zach and Marie, they did fantastic. So they did very good. Like we don't measure this by how many hours we necessarily make. Like that's a performance KPI, but basically the fact that you guys were able to go, like for example, you were a little bit red sack and you came back to green and you are keeping a couple hours. And Marie did basically like the same that you did.
I never went red today.
Like yeah, exactly. Like but
I kept my
Like, she
profit
got the
you
short
also
at the
went.
beginning.
and
You also
waited.
went short and you were long. That's the part I'm
Correct.
saying.
Oh yes,
Like,
yes. I flipped.
We call that riding the dragon here. Like basically, you go when it's a short little setup, you go short in just in one day, like in a period of time, like short.
Yeah, in local conditions and local levels, right?
Exactly. So Marie did fantastic in there too. So that's what I'm talking about. Like it's not like oh I made like 10 hours or I make 1 hour on that. It's just the fact that you guys flip your head like this and you were able to profit from both.
Thank
of them.
you, Davey.
So that's very nice. So and we're gonna keep trying to improve and trying to bring better trades and more clear ideas because I find that right now with the channel I'm not able to communicate clear enough what is my ideas, especially because I probably don't have enough time in the morning to prepare those things right now. But yeah, I hope you have a good day. Thank you everybody for being there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and
Seems
Yeah.
like Davey's gonna win the bet today.
yeah, like that we're gonna make a funny video probably later because like the way that the market is selling right now, I'm 19% convinced that there is a news pending that we don't know what it is. Like, but yeah, watch out. It's just a speculation, so don't put too much.
And our side's
right.
definitely dropping.
Yeah, for sure. So
Let's keep that in mind as well.
yeah, so I hope you have a good day. Thank you for being there. We're gonna
Thanks for
be
joining us.
back tomorrow.